Hello, my name is Erica Woods, and this is my lab video for experiment number 5. I'm going to start with the last question. Did you have any difficulties during this lab? Yes. It was the conversions for me, but I did get a fairly good understanding with the help of my peers. So it says discuss, the first question is discuss the learning objective for this lab and did you meet them? I believe I met some of them, maybe not all, but the objective was to, excuse me, calculate the power generated by humans. Power is the rate at which the work is used. So the equation for that was P equals W over T, W being the work over the time it took for us to go up the stairs, and the work which we had to calculate was the equation for work equals force times distance. So with my weight, in order to calculate that, I first had to do the conversion of recording mass into kilograms. So 1 pound equals 0.45 kilograms. In order to do that, I did my weight of 200 pounds and then converted that into kilograms, and I got 90.8. When we went to do the height of the stairs, it was about 0.19 meters times the amount of stairs, and it ended up, it was about 13 stairs, so I ended up getting a 2.5 meters. We did have to, of course, take the meters over, the meters over the time and the time that it took us to go up the stairs. So on the trial 1, it took me 5.5 seconds. Trial 2 and 3 was at the same time, 6 seconds. So I'm pretty much going to be doing my conversions of 5.5 seconds and 6 seconds going up the stairs. So with the work, we had to turn that into joules. And I ended up getting, when it was converted, it was 2,224 joules. When it was converted to the power, for the first trial, it was 404.3. And that was for the 5.5 seconds. And then for the 6 seconds, trial 2 and trial 3 was the same. So I'll just stick with doing the 6 seconds. And that was 370.7. The power had to be converted by HP. And then the velocity was meters, I don't know the correct terminology, meters by seconds, I believe, which was 0.4. But overall, doing the experiment, it was fun. It was just when it got to the conversions, I'm not gonna lie, it was a little difficult for me, but we had to do the it was pretty much the weight of us and the velocity, I want to say, that took us going up the stairs. Hope that sounds right. So how we completed this lab, we used the meter stick to measure one stair, again multiplied that by the amount of stairs that we did. We used the conversions that were given, into in the lab, where in order to do our the work that we did against the gravity of the climb, which was the force, our weight equaled the force. And I just want to make sure I'm going everything down. Again, we did complete the calculations. I was able to pretty much plug in what we did into the, I guess you want to say the math equation. I almost said math equations that were given to us in the lab. So the easiest for me, of course, was the getting our pounds. When we calculated the power, we did the velocity of the stairs, which was how fast we were moving. So that was the seconds. Again, over the power over the force. I hope this all makes sense. But I was able to turn it to the conversions. I did have to get help with Dr. Hinton about question number 2. And then I did have to get help with question number 3. But for how long would a 60-watt bulb have to burn to produce the energy used in climbing the stairs? My answer was 6.7 seconds. I know this is not going to be my best lab, but I did do the best that I could. So thank you, and see you on Tuesday. Goodbye.